Alright, I'm gonna make my ice cream. I don't have milk cubes, but I think I'm just gonna go all fruit tonight. And we'll see how that goes. So, got my blades here. Squeeze them, back it out a little bit, put it back. So this is gonna be kind of winging it. And we'll see, my scale is up. How about I do this? Can I give you guys about how much I put in here? Just kind of winging it tonight. I put a little bit of milk on the bottom, just enough to cover the blades up a bit. Let's see, some whey protein. Make the ice cream real nice. I'm gonna eat it right away. I'm not gonna do what I usually do and freeze it. I'm just gonna eat it because I'm pretty hungry. Yeah, it's good. 13 grams there. I like to add a little bit of vanilla flavor to it. It's like a vanilla strawberry type thing, I think what it is. Strawberries. Oh, and let me get some sweetener here. I'll just do a normal sugar stevia combo. Let's see here. What do I usually do? It's usually about like that. That's some sugar, 18 grams sugar. And the rest is going to be the stevia, and I usually add I'll just add about 10 grams or something. I like mine very sweet, so I don't care. That's the good thing about stevia and other sweeteners. Just add as much as you want. No rules. You can add nothing at all if you want. But I like mine extremely sweet. Oh, I only have like these giant... I only have these giant strawberries. Look how huge this strawberry is. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that in there. And I only have 2 pieces. Yeah, so I'm going to have to find a different fruit. Let's go with this, let's go with the tropical fruit blend. Let's go with that. So... let's see, we need about a cup of this stuff, about 140 grams it says. I saw that piece of coconut fly out. Excuse me, you're going in my smoothie. I think that's enough. I kind of surpassed 140 there. Yeah, I think that'll do just fine for an ice cream. Oh, there's some mixed berries too. Just toss a couple of mixed berries in there. Why not? So my only real concern with making this right now is just those huge strawberries. Strawberries might be a problem. Now, it's not that the machine can't turn it, it's just that those strawberries are so big and the blade base is so small. It's like, you know, you're trying to put, acorns through a tiny funnel, you know what I mean? Or walnuts or whatever. whatever you want to go with that analogy. Not the best one, but hey, this is live. This is live and ready to go stuff. Mistakes get made, and that is fine with me. Got my spatula here, spoon. I got an old trusty bowl. I got a bigger one this time. All right, let's go for it. Wish me luck. Trying to get the strawberries in there. Yep, I overheated it this time. That was definitely a lot for the machine to deal with. That was a lot more frozen fruit than it's accustomed to. So this time I actually tripped my machine live. Well, it still came out pretty decent. Still, I couldn't get everything on the top, but that's okay. The machine is still okay. Just means it needs to cool off, that's all. Yeah, that's yeah, it's tripped. So it's gonna cool off and then it'll come back online. So yeah, you'll see the little flashy boop 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 boop. Means it got tripped. So we can probably unplug it and see. Maybe we can reset it somehow. But unless it's thermally tripped. Okay, it actually came back online. So we can, yeah. It's thermally tripped, so I'm just gonna have to wait for it to cool down before it'll come back. But yeah, that's the first time I ever really tripped it, but that was my fault because I put so much of that ice cream in there, so many frozen ingredients. But I'm still gonna eat it, that's fine. 90-day challenge. First time I really messed up the machine. No. It's not messed up. It's just overprotection kicks in. A lot of the times people, oh yeah, this was super thick, man. Jesus. Yeah, I can. That was way more than the machine can handle. This little tyke. The thermal protection kicks in. A lot of people, they just freak out. Oh, I was doing some stuff and my machine stopped and I don't know what happened. Well, what did you do? Oh, you know, I was doing the blend and then this and that, and you find out more information. They find out they blended up almost every time. They never blend up like ingredients like this, like real heavy load. They just use it in like such a slow speed. Like 3 or 4, and then it's like, oh, well, you know, there's no wonder it overheated. The fan isn't even working because it has to work at high speed. But yeah, this is still good enough. Let me try. Let me taste. Oh yeah, tastes great. Not as smooth because I didn't finish it, but still very much edible. So I'll wait till this machine comes back, and that's it. All right. This is the latest vlog where I killed my S50. Alright, bye.